Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter I. Capital I, little I. What words begin with I? Impatiens. I-M-P-A-T-I-E-N-S. The word impatiens begins with the letter I. Great-grandma loves to plant them in her flower box. Impatiens have pretty flowers. Illusion. I-L-L-U-S-I-O-N. Something you see with your own eyes which is not correct. For instance, take a look at these lines with arrows. Would you believe that these lines are exactly the same length? No? Watch what happens when the arrows are removed. Illusions are not real. Iguana. I-G-U-A-N-A. Iguana also starts with the letter I. Some can grow to be quite large. Iguanas eat plants for food. This iguana thought he could eat the impatiens, but he found that impossible because he had been imprisoned in an aquarium. Now, wasn't that impressive? What sound does the letter I represent? Eh. Can you say eh? Very good. I, the ninth letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.